Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use merge fields in email templates in Salesforce. This is a powerful way to personalize your emails at scale, automatically inserting recipient details like names or account information into your messages without having to type them manually each time. Let's start by clicking the app launcher, which is the waffle icon you'll find in the top left corner of your Salesforce screen. This icon opens up a menu that gives you access to all the different apps and tools within Salesforce. Once you've clicked it, you'll see a search bar appear. Go ahead and search for email templates, then select it from the results. This will take you to the area where all your email templates are stored and managed. Now that you're in the email templates section, click on New Email Template to begin creating your personalized template. You'll be presented with a form where you need to fill in some basic information. Start by filling in the template name field with something like Test Merge Template. This name is just for your internal reference, so make it something descriptive that will help you identify it later. Next, type a subject line for your email in the subject field. This is what your recipients will see in their inbox, so make it clear and relevant. Here's an important step. Select Contact from the Related Entity Type drop-down menu. This tells Salesforce what type of record you're building this template for, which determines which merge fields will be available to you. Once you've filled in these details, click Save to create your template foundation. After saving, you'll need to click Edit next to your new template to start adding the actual content and merge fields. Click into the email body editor, which is where you'll compose your message. Now comes the key part. Look for the merge icon at the bottom right of the editor. It looks like curly braces or a symbol like this. Open curly brace, close curly brace. Click on that icon to open up the merge field selector. You'll see a list of available fields organized by categories. Expand the recipient section, then select first name from the list of available fields. Click Insert to add it into your email body. Now you can type text around this merge field to create a natural sentence. For example, you might type "Dear" followed by the merge field. Then add comma, "Thanks for your business." This creates a personalized greeting that will automatically pull in each recipient's first name when the email is sent. The beauty of merge fields is that you can use as many as you need. Simply repeat the process of clicking the merge icon, selecting the field you want, and clicking Insert to add other personalized details like last name, company, or any other relevant information from the contact record. You can weave these fields naturally into your email copy to create a fully personalized message. Once you've added all your merge fields and crafted your email content, click Save to finalize your template. Now, whenever you use this template to send emails, Salesforce will automatically replace those merge fields with the actual data from each recipient's record, giving every person a personalized message without any extra work on your part. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.